So I've got alcohol here. Cleaning the brush, knocking it down. Definitely a lot cleaner than what I was getting before. Just want to do it again because I just want to make sure, because I was getting a bit of metal out of there. This top one here, I'm not sure. I was looking at that top one and I'm not seeing anywhere where there's passages. Well, I'm bringing you back. I've got all the expansion plugs inserted. I've cleaned the top of this again with alcohol, and I've got my bearings set here, and I'm working on the crank. Well, I'm finding a lot of metal inside this. So these oil passages here, I'm running this. Well, I have the plastic gauge, got my caps on. I've got it torqued right now at 25 foot-pounds. I've got to go to 80. So let's take this thing up to, let's go 45. All right, 45. All right, let's take it up to 80. These are the ARP studs, and the paperwork says torque 3 equal shares up to 80 pounds. Well, I've got it. I've got a torqued 80. This is an Eagle crank. I've got Eagle rods, and I have Keith Black pistons. So next week I'm going to put the pistons in. But I had about 0.2 on the plastic gauge.